The surging number of new coronavirus cases in the U.S. has broken a record set one day earlier by almost 20,000. Officials reported nearly, look at the number behind me, 122,000 cases yesterday alone, the day after passing 100,000 for the first time. Many states in the Midwest are also setting records for new infections. Adriana Diaz is in Milwaukee. That's one of the hardest hit areas in the country. Adriana, good morning to you. What is the situation where you are?
Good morning, Gail. Well, we're outside Miller Park where the Brewers play, and this is Milwaukee City's largest community testing site. Here in Wisconsin, they have different categories for measuring virus activity, ranging from low to very high. And Gail, right now, all of the states, 72 counties are at that top, very high level for virus activity. And this, as the virus continues to spread across the Midwest.
I cannot stress enough the severity of our situation.
Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker says his state's COVID cases are rising faster than they have since June, hitting a new single-day record of more than 9,900 cases, while COVID-related deaths passed the 10,000 mark in the state.
The rise in cases and hospitalizations is unsustainable.
The numbers continue to rise dramatically across the country. In all, 15 states broke single-day records for new COVID cases on Thursday. 7 of them are in the Midwest. Wisconsin officials are calling it a crisis, with hospitals at or near capacity statewide. Former CDC Director Dr. Tom Frieden.
We're seeing lots of spread from pizza parties, after-school parties, people getting together and spreading not just goodwill, but unfortunately, a lot of virus.
She just started her senior year in high school.
Susan Three Iron says her 17-year-old daughter, Elvia, who was asthmatic and had high blood pressure, is the youngest person in North Dakota to die from COVID complications.
She was pretty much my other helper as a parent.
They live on a Native American reservation where there are limited medical resources. After first going to an area hospital, Elvia was eventually airlifted to Fargo. Her mother, Susan, was then diagnosed with COVID herself and also had to be hospitalized. She was watching Elvia on a video link when her daughter's heart stopped.
Your daughter passed away while you were also at the hospital with COVID.
Yes. They put the phone beside her. I told her I love her. Told her she could rest now and be at peace.
She also told her that she was proud to be her mother. Guys, her daughter was just 17 years old. It was a really hard interview with her, and this is a really important point. According to the CDC, cases among Native Americans and Alaska Natives are 3.5 times greater than among white Americans. And Susan Three Iron said on her reservation, there's no hospital, there are only clinics, so they cannot treat severe cases. Anthony?
That's such a concern. That must have been a heartbreaking interview, Adriana. Thank you. And some really scary trend lines right now.